Welcome to 10-Minute English. Today, you'll practice 50 real-life English phrases to use at the doctor's office. You don't need to be smart to learn English. You just need to repeat a little every day. Repeat each phrase 3 times with me. No translations, no subtitles. Just listen and repeat. This is how you train your brain to think in English, naturally and fluently. Let's begin. I have a doctor's appointment. I have a doctor's appointment. I have a doctor's appointment. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. My throat is sore. My throat is sore. My throat is sore. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cough. I think I have the flu. I think I have the flu. I think I have the flu. Can I see the doctor? Can I see the doctor? Can I see the doctor? Do I need a prescription? Do I need a prescription? Do I need a prescription? I have an allergy. I have an allergy. I have an allergy. I feel tired all the time. I feel tired all the time. I feel tired all the time. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I have chest pain. I have chest pain. I have chest pain. I need to take a blood test. I need to take a blood test. I need to take a blood test. Can I get a checkup? Can I get a checkup? Can I get a checkup? Do I need to fast before the test? Do I need to fast before the test? Do I need to fast before the test? I feel short of breath. I feel short of breath. I feel short of breath. I have a rash. I have a rash. I have a rash. I think I have an infection. I think I have an infection. I think I have an infection. Where is the pain located? Where is the pain located? Where is the pain located? It hurts when I move. It hurts when I move. It hurts when I move. I need something for the pain. I need something for the pain. I need something for the pain. Can I get a doctor's note? Can I get a doctor's note? Can I get a doctor's note? I need a referral. I need a referral. I need a referral. I've been feeling anxious. I've been feeling anxious. I've been feeling anxious. I can't sleep well. I can't sleep well. I can't sleep well. My back hurts. My back hurts. My back hurts. I have joint pain. I have joint pain. I have joint pain. I've been feeling nauseous. I've been feeling nauseous. I've been feeling nauseous. Can I take this with food? Can I take this with food? Can I take this with food? What are the side effects? What are the side effects? What are the side effects? Is it contagious? Is it contagious? Is it contagious? How long will it take to recover? How long will it take to recover? How long will it take to recover? Do I need a follow-up appointment? Do I need a follow-up appointment? Do I need a follow-up appointment? I need to renew my prescription. I need to renew my prescription. I need to renew my prescription. Can I talk to the nurse? Can I talk to the nurse? Can I talk to the nurse? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby? My insurance covers it. My insurance covers it. My insurance covers it. How much is the consultation? How much is the consultation? How much is the consultation? Do I need to come back? Do I need to come back? Do I need to come back? Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Great job. You just practiced 50 real-life English phrases, naturally and effectively. Repeat this video again tomorrow. Practice every day for just 10 minutes, and you will begin to think in English without even realizing it. Stay focused. Keep showing up, and step by step, your English will become natural. If you liked this video, follow the channel for more daily practice, and let's keep learning English together. See you in the next one.